Welcome, everybody. Today we're going to talk about the USCIS ignored them, so they sued. USCIS delay sparks federal Mandamus lawsuit. Today is Monday, May 27th, 2025, and we are going to talk about a specific case for today, a Mandamus case. So this case was filed at the district court for the District of Massachusetts, and here are the plaintiffs, and here are the defendants of this case. So again, this is a complaint for a writ of mandamus. If you're not familiar with writ of mandamus, so basically it's the usually it's part of the Administrative Processing Act, I believe it's called, Administrative Procedures Act. So sorry, APA. And so basically, you're looking for compel the government to do something. So here, the defendants are compelling an action on a visa petition filed by the plaintiffs in 2001. So it's been a long time since they filed a visa petition. So let's see what's going on there. Plaintiff is from the country of Gambia, and her husband lives in Massachusetts. They married in September 22nd of 2017. And they're suing the Secretary of the Department of Homeland Security in her official capacity, as well as the Director of the USCIS in her official capacity. And what they're claiming here is that, so just a backstory, it looks like she came here April 15th, 2003, and entered the U.S. and a B2 visa. She lived in the country since the date of her entry in 2003. So I wonder, it doesn't say, this complaint doesn't say, but I wonder if she had overstayed her visa. Seems possible, right? And at some point in 2012, she applied with the USCIS to adjust her status based on her previous marriage, but the USCIS denied the application. They don't go in to say why they denied the application, and served her with the notice to appear under her former name before an immigration judge in Boston for removal proceedings. The hearings have been continued several times pending adjudication over a visa petition at issue in this case. On September 2017, she married a U.S. citizen spouse, and he filed her visa petition for his wife with the USCIS. And USCIS sent the plaintiff a notice of intent to deny the petition. And in November 2020, plaintiff's attorney filed a response to the notice of intent to deny, which addressed all issues raised by the USCIS in the notice of intent to deny. And in July of 2023, plaintiff attended an in-person interview in connection with her visa petition. And after the interview, the plaintiff and the attorney made numerous inquiries regarding the status of the visa application. Hey, what is the status of the visa petition? They made inquiries through the congressional representatives and the USCIS ombudsman. So if there's a visa delay, you can reach out to the USCIS ombudsman and a congressman who also contacted the defendants about their application. So the removal proceedings have been delayed pending the outcome of the USCIS decision on the visa petition. So they go on to say, despite all the effort, the USCIS has not responded to inquiries other than to say there's been a delay in the adjudication process. So they're saying the USCIS has failed and to refuse to adjudicate the petition, and they are eligible, and the plaintiff's husband is eligible to petition for his wife based on a bona fide marriage. And then they go on to say to seek adjustment of the status before the immigration court, but not until at the time as visa petition is approved. So here is they're saying the defendants are in violation of the Administrative Procedures Act, the APA. They are unlawfully withholding and unreasonably delaying action or unreasonably delaying action on plaintiff's visa petition and have failed to carry out the adjudicative functions. The plaintiffs are entitled to a decision on their visa petition and demand that the defendants make such decision. The plaintiff now seeks a court order requiring the defendants to adjudicate their application. So basically, they are requiring the defendants to adjudicate the husband's visa petition for his wife within a period of time specified by the court and award attorney's fees. All right, so that is today's Mandamus lawsuit. We'll get into another one tomorrow. If you like this, give a thumbs up, like, subscribe. Thank you very much.